Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is July 30th, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us on this Friday.
Hey, friends. We'll start with this one that I already had to package up, mostly because I wanted to make sure it fit in here. It's just a pair of footprints by Birkenstock. So you'll see the picture on the screen, but yeah. These were a little bit heavy, so like if I would have had to pay for the 3-pound rate, which is what they would have been if they didn't fit in this envelope, it would have been like $13.68 to ship out. So thankfully they fit in here, but these sold for $34 plus shipping, and what I had paid for them was $11.36 was my average cost of goods the day I bought those. So.
Okay.
Not too bad. For some reason, those specific shoes were getting me. It was one of those items that I was just getting, will you take 20? Will you take 25?
Yeah.
So, thankfully, they sold for 34. All right, and then this one just came in before we started recording. This made me extra happy because it was just a really good sale. As this brand always is, the brand On Cloud. Even if you find these in really rough shape, they are just a really great seller. These particular ones sold for $70 plus shipping on Facebook Marketplace. They're in pretty rough shape. I mean, the bottoms are slightly worn more than I would essentially purchase for my own self. I mean, not too bad, I guess. But, and then like the rubber around here is kind of like dirtied up, but still sold for $70 plus shipping, and I have $12.99 into those, so over a $50 profit. I love that.
Very nice.
Okay, then Avery. This is going out to a viewer, although I don't know her name because she has her like shop name as her
Gotcha.
address name, so you know who you are. So thank you so much. This is a mini boat and like towel swim cover up. This was actually our kiddos, and we have this in several sizes. It's one of our faves as well. But she mentioned this was her specific in search of, so it's always good to find what you're looking for, and I'm glad I had it for you. So, she bought that on Kitizen for $25.20 free ship. Shipping cost me $5.15 through the app. I don't remember what I bought the actual towel for, but probably around $20.
Thank you so much for your support.
Yeah. All right, BQ. All right, sold some Skechers shape ups. These sold on eBay for $49.34 free shipping. I do have $12.99 into the shoes, and it did cost $12.32 to ship them out because, again, really heavy, and these do not fit in the padded flat rate. So. But still made some money there. I still love selling shape-ups, although I was having a little bit of drama with a different pair this morning. Somebody asking if I would take like $12.50 for a pair of shape-ups, where it would cost me more than that to like ship them to. I could tell where he lived based on his message, so...
But it did seem like that viewer that person that was interested in them had issues with their past purchases of shape-ups. So
he said a whole bunch of them have crumbled, but honestly, that's just what happens to them. Like you use them, not only because, I mean, yes, if you leave them in certain like heat or something like that, it can happen, but it just happens also just from wearing them. Like it sounds like he wears them all day, every day.
I just mention it because if you're looking and sourcing shape-ups, definitely make sure they're not crumbling, because that is a very common issue that you will run into.
I just thought it was funny that he said his last 3 or 4 pairs had that happen, but yet, so that's why he wanted to buy mine. Like, I didn't sell him his previous pairs. Like, if I had, then I'd be like, okay, yeah, I'm sorry, I'll send you a new pair.
Right. But yeah, it was kind of like he was asking us to kind of pay for that.
Just in case.
Right. And giving him a really good deal for the shoes that he had owned previously, which kind of was weird. So. But yeah, we would have lost money on that.
Today's been a weird day on eBay. Like, I've been getting weird messages all day.
Yeah.
Just like, makes me want to like, turn it all off.
Take a day off.
Yeah. Okay, so these are the brand Childhoods. These were just my kids' pants. I probably bought them for retail price around $30. I sold them on eBay for $27.26 plus shipping. And yesterday in our video, we mentioned that we were trying out 8%. I did notice today, I think 6 of the sales you're going to see are from eBay. 5 of them were via the promoted listing, which like I mentioned, is currently at 8%. So I don't know if that's just a fluke. Today was a good day where people just found my items through it or what. But
and that doesn't necessarily correlate with we're getting more sales. We haven't really had enough data for that. But more of our sales are being promoted listing sales as of right now.
Yeah. I mean, if something will sell faster and I could pay an extra buck for it to sell a lot faster, that's worth it.
Right.
Usually, so. All right, and then I sold this Wet Stop. It's just like a bedwetting alarm for little kiddos. I picked this up for $1.99. I don't think I could scan the barcode on this. I think I just looked it up only because it was new in box. And saw that some were selling $20 to $25. This one sold for $19.70 plus shipping. So I had $1.99 into that.
Very nice.
All right, BG. All right, this is just the brand Massimo, which is like an old Target brand. I only picked this up because it was like a buffalo plaid cardigan. And I have sold this cardigan 2 or 3 other times. It did not sell for huge money. I got $9.99 plus shipping. I have $1.37 into it from the bin, so I will take that.
And you're not saying you sold that exact one 3 times, right? Like
no, not
the same,
right? The exact same cardigan, but different sizes, different.
Right.
It never got.
They didn't get returned or anything like that.
All right, sold another of these Wildflowers dresses I got at the JBF sale. This one I almost countered just because I wanted a couple extra dollars, and I'm honestly at the point where I'm about to relist the rest of these that I have left, but I had the offer. We're at the end of the month, last 2 days. I just took the offer. So I have $11 into these if you watch that haul, because I did pay up because I found so much at once. So even though I paid up, I was going to make a decent little profit off the whole bundle. So this one's over $22 plus shipping. I was hoping to get at least $25 plus shipping, but that's okay. I'll take my $7, $8 profit and buy something else. All right, then AD. This is just the brand T collection. These were something I bought for my son, but obviously he never wore because they're still new with tag. And then these, I bought them off Kitizen for $15, sold them on Mercari for $20 plus ship. So I made all my money back, at least, thankfully. Then I sold a hat. This one that I bought hoping for it for myself. Like we were going on some, well, we didn't actually do any trips this summer other than a couple hotel, like mini ones. But I just wanted a hat in case we were like out at a lake or I don't know.
You were hoping for a beach.
Yeah, so I thought this was so cute. I got a great deal on it on Mercari. I had paid $21.87. That included the price of the hat, the shipping, the tax, everything. And I just don't like how it looks. Like I guess I have this weird head. I'm not even gonna put it on there. It was like, it's like such a cute hat, but it was embarrassing like how it looked on me. I don't know. So yeah, I just went ahead and relisted it. This like style, when I was looking up comps on eBay, like Patagonia hats only retail I think for around $30. But again, like when stuff sells out, if it's a certain style, you can always get more for some certain pieces. So this one, people had them listed for like $60-ish on eBay. So I went ahead and listed mine at $65 across the board, and somebody offered me $35 on Posh. I just took it because I was making my money back, plus I made like an extra $7, so
yeah,
I took it. Yeah, I don't know if all those people that had them listed so high were actually gonna sell. I mean, there was sales I think in the $40 to $50 range, so I think what I got was fair, $35 plus that buyer paid the shipping and everything on Posh. So yeah, don't let someone bully you and say, oh, this only cost this much new.
Then why are you so interested in this one?
You must be assuming I bought it new. All right. This is a Torrid top. It's Smokey the Bear. You guys have probably seen me actually wearing the same shirt in a different color. I actually bought this for myself because I like that shirt so much, and I just wanted to have one because you guys see me wearing the same stuff over and over. So like once that one was not good anymore, I was gonna have it back up, but this color does not look that great on me, so I went ahead and listed it. So I did pay $21.47 for that at Torrid, and I sold it for $30 on Posh. So again, I made my money back and a couple extra dollars, but yeah. The perks of being a reseller, though, you can kind of just try stuff out and know that you can at least break even.
Yeah. Sometimes make a profit.
Yeah. So these little Under Armour cleats for $20 with discount shipping. That was a Poshmark VA offer that got sent out last night, and the buyer accepted. So I have $4.99 into those. And then BK. Alright, this is the brand Faraday. This was from my haul with Amber and Greg from the Denver bins. Like, that was in May, but I only listed it like this last week. So this did sell really quickly. Comps on eBay were like 25 to 30, so I listed mine I think at like 30 or 35 on Posh. Somebody offered me 20. I thought that was fair because, again, they're paying $7 for shipping plus tax, so they're at about $30, and that's about what comps were. So I had, since I got it from the bins, I only had $1.96 into that. All right, last sale. So these Teva.
Teva.
I do not like saying it like that. Even if that's the right way to say it, it's weird.
The Tevas.
Yeah, like once you say something for the first time ever, even if it's wrong, that's like just how you think of it or say it forever. So I can't, it's hard to like think that it's really Teva and not Teva. So anyways, these sold for $27 with discount shipping. No, not discount shipping, because so this person got the Poshmark VA offer, which I think was 32 with discount shipping, and then they countered at 27. So since they countered, the discount shipping goes away, but they did get a couple extra dollars off because I accepted. I did have 10.16 into those average cost of goods, so about doubling my money on that.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff all packed up, and we'll be right back. Thanks for all the help, Reese. You did good. All right, guys, we got everything all packed up, and it's ready for a thumbnail. We did not have any more sales come in, and once again, we are very close to the post office
13
closing.
minutes.
But today, the kids are actually with Grandma, so we don't have to worry about them. But yeah, we're gonna get this stuff off the post office and get them off to their new homes. So I think that is gonna do it for this What Sold video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.